Here we go. So I'm really happy today because we are gonna talk about a topic that is tricky. I think every manager, every entrepreneur, everyone in business talks about automation, but sometimes you have different meanings. Like for me, automation can mean something. For Andrin, that is joining us today from Dini Fläsche, can mean different things. The most important thing is what is automation inside a company, inside a team, and inside of business operations, in this case, printing processes, order management, and even catalog management. Because when you have one product, automation can mean something. When you have maybe hundreds and you need to manage a bigger company, or you want just to scale from one product to two, or maybe three, it's a different game. So I'm really excited today because we will deep dive into what automation means in this case to Dini Flashe and to Andrea. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Let's start. What automation means for you, for your company, Dini Flashe, for your customers as well.
Yes, automation means actually a lot. So the company behind Diniflashe is Twin. We make branded gifts. I have here a packaging bottle for Erzamat, big company, very famous in Switzerland. Also, we were able to make some projects with UNICEF. The thing is, for these projects, we have a designer that makes the designs. But if somebody like an individual person, like I have here a bottle from Luca, if Luca wants his own bottle with the Bitcoin logo, it was quite difficult to do it and to make just one design for one bottle. And with Zakeke, we were able to automate this process completely. So we don't need a designer anymore. So if somebody wants a bottle, he can just go to our website, design his own bottle, like move the logo around if he wants it like here or here. He can do it freely. This really helped us to automate this entire process on the client side. On the other side, we also like on the beginning we started with just these bottles and actually with another one, our echo bottles with the laser engraving. Then we expanded our product palette to color print. So now we were able to color print the bottles, even pictures we were able to do, which is not possible with laser engraving. And it took us like, I don't know, half an hour. Then I figured out like how to set up everything and then it worked. So also this helped us a lot with the management of our products, and our palette, our product range is growing really quick because there are a lot of products people want to have their name on. Yeah, for example, one of the first products we tested were coffee cups. So we have this really nice with bamboo layer, and now we have lots of different also glass bottles that client can also make individual. We also have a really special product. So this glass bottle is actually from Switzerland. So we have also like some Swiss made products. We set up the products and everything run almost by itself. Zakeke really helps us to also automate the entire product management, entire process for setting up new products. It makes this really easy and user friendly. And also for the order management, there we work also together with WordPress and Zakeke. And this is really an amazing combination. Right now, we can also upload our list with the inventory, and we can make it like in a few minutes, and all the inventory are up to date really quick. And this is also a big plus for us.
Absolutely. So you've mentioned a lot of things. So automation in terms of design, because no need for an external people or an agency. Everything is on the customer side. So they're free to create something unique. And so that tasks is completely gone. Then the order, because you get pre-ready files depending on your printing methods, and you just go directly to fulfillment. So automation in terms of creating the customization and putting it inside the product. So you manage the customized orders inside one app, and thanks to the native plugin inside your dashboard as well. And even if you want Zapier or any other webhook automation, you get it. So that's another automation and gives you, as you mentioned, different products, different designs, different materials, the opportunity to actually craft more things, no matter if it's glass, if it's wood, if it's plastic or aluminum, whatever, you got it in one app. So it's real automation from the customer side and from your own.
Yes, as I mentioned before, the Dini Fläsche started like as a side project from Twing. Before we had more like this UNICEF bottle, it was like a big order from like 50 to 1,000 pieces. And we had a lot of customer who asked us, hey, I want just a bottle for myself, for my family, for friends, one or two pieces. And there the work we had to put into the product was just too big. It didn't make any sense. Like one bottle costed like around 100 Swiss francs, and you paid like a little bit for the bottle and all the rest for the designer. So that was the challenge there. So then we were looking for something suitable. In the beginning, we were able to make like these engravings on bottles. We just started with one type of bottle, and from there it really grew. Like we added color print, then we added like the coffee cups. Now we are building up a really broad product range with glass bottles. So yeah, it helped us to access to build a new product for a different type of clients, for more end consumer, not only businesses. So we were able to offer a good solution also for these clients. And furthermore, we're still really growing in our product range because there are so many amazing products that can be customized. And also, the big difference, if something is customized, it has a more personal note. It's not, if you get like some bottle and there is no print on it, the there's a big difference if your own name, which is something really
Mhm.
individual, is on the bottle itself or on the product. So you have a personal connection, as it sounds a bit weird, but you it makes the product more worth. It makes it part of yourself. Or if you make your own design, if you design something and you put it on the bottle and you have it in real life every day with you, it just adds so much more personal value to it. And we are really happy that we have Zakeke, where we can make it so easy, so intuitive that everybody can understand it and everybody can design their own products.
Amazing. And you actually got the point. Yes. Like creating something unique, it's absolutely as almost no price because something that has a brand name and a huge product quality compared to something that has my name, my family picture, whatever, like something that is just mine, like nobody else can replicate it. Let me ask you this, that Zakeke and visual customization helped you as a business in terms of automation, but it was also in terms of brand perception and revenues and sales results.
Yes, definitely. We had a lot of requests for training for branded gifts. We also had a new product, not bottles, like these socks, where I can show you a few socks. We
Oh,
had like order lots of orders, lots of different products, and we didn't really have that much time for Dini Fläsche, but it just grew by itself, and that was really helpful. It didn't take us like hundreds of hours to set up everything. We set it up, it ran by itself, and then we added the color print, and then it was done, and then it just run by itself. So it was super easy for us to set up everything, and it really helped us to grow a different and another business beside our main business with the minimal effort we could put it into. And for now, for us, it's clear there is so much more potential. Now we are setting up a new configurator also with Zakeke, that people can also make their own individual socks. And there are also lots of different products. You see just for the like the drinkable in that range, you have coffee cups we added, you have the glass bottles we have new in our area, and there are also like other possibility, for example soaps like hand soaps, and yeah, whatever you can think of. I think there should be a configurator one day where people really can build their own designs, make their own designs. And I personally, I see a lot of more potential for us to grow in the market, but we are already have a lot of revenue coming from Diniflashe. With just if you look at the effort or the time we have to put into it, it's not that much, and it's very something that's also good for us for our business.
Amazing. I don't have anything more to add because you said like everything that I think that an entrepreneur and a business want to hear. So many products that can be like a different process, a different team, depending on the number of products, of course, the catalog. But socks are not bottles, glass is not wood, cup is not a B2B gift. So everything managed with that easiness and that lets you to give a side project for real body. Okay, this is not just a piece of paper, something on a piece of paper. It has become a business, like a real business that is everything that a customer can look through to customize. And it's absolutely true. We absolutely agree that anything can be customized and will be customized and configured, and that visual commerce is not just the future, but it is the present of business and of commerce as of today. Thank you very much for your inputs, for your insights. I think that our audience will be thrilled to hear you and go to Diniflashe and go to Twing. They have amazing products, and you can buy a bottle and then a pair of socks. I really like those, and they have an amazing team inside. So thank you very much, Andre, for being today with us.
Thank you so much for yeah, for also for your time, and that we had the chance to talk a little bit what we are doing and how we are trying to change the whole, yeah, the whole process put in to create more amazing design products.
Absolutely. It's just the power of innovation. It's right here. So we just need to battle to create amazing things, to sell those amazing things, and keep automating and keep attacking because that's the real deal. Thank you very much, guys, and go to Dini Flash and go to Zakeke if you wanted to hear more. Thank you.